Hi guys, welcome to Second Opinion PH, which you may also know as 2.0. I'm Alex and today we will be unboxing something big yet handy, which was released last May 21, the Huawei MatePad T priced at $5,990. Now let's unbox this affordable tablet and see what it can offer. I've been really excited to see what this can do because it's really budget friendly. There's our tablet, ejector pin on this box, some paperwork, your cable, and there's your charger in the other box. The MatePad T comes in only one color, deep sea blue. It also comes with a textured plastic border which makes it easier to hold and grip. On the left, you have the microphone, volume rocker, and power button. While on the right, you have the card tray for your nano SIM card and micro SD slot. On the bottom, you have your micro USB charger, then you'll find the speaker and headphone jack on the top. Trying out the speaker, it's loud enough to use outdoors, but the sound tends to be a bit muddy. On the other hand, the microphone records a lot of noise in the background, which sort of makes it difficult to talk on the phone when you're on call. Up front, we have an 8-inch LCD screen with a 1280 by 800 resolution. You can see thick bezels around the screen. On the top, you'll find the front camera and green notification light. It has a 5,100 mAh battery, which surprisingly took 4.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100. Its smaller sibling, the Y6P, with almost the same battery, took only 2 hours to charge. It was said to last 12 hours of local video playback and 12 hours of continuous web page browsing. It lasted me a total of 54 hours, though, with my daily routine using it only from time to time for socials. It operates on EMUI 10 and is powered by MediaTek M8768 with the PowerVR GE8320 GPU with 2GB of RAM and 32GB storage, expandable up to 512GB. I still experience some frame drops though playing Asphalt 9 with the highest graphics setting, but other games ran smoothly. It also has Kid Center that can automatically turn on blue light filter, posture and bumpy road alerts, and ebook mode. Parents can also control which apps a child can access. For the main camera, it has a 5 megapixel you can zoom up to 5 times, and it features a panorama, HDR, and beauty mode. For the front camera, it has 2 megapixels and you can use it with the beauty mode only. The pictures appeared a bit grainy and lacked saturation, but it looked fine when taking scenic photos. There's also audio control to take pictures just by saying cheese. It wasn't very reliable because of all the noise the mic picks up. Sometimes shouting cheese still won't be enough. You can opt to activate the loud noise option to take photos, but that would make the tablet take photos too often or not at all. Overall, the experience was fair enough for its price point. It's really convenient to bring compared to bigger tablets. The camera could be better though, but it's fine. Graphics were good too. Not so much for gaming though, but I could spend the whole day watching movies with it, but I'd prefer that with earphones. You can also easily call and text, so yeah, it's basically like a phone, but with a bigger screen and an affordable price. If you have any questions, leave it on the comment section down below. I'm Alex and I'll see you guys soon.